Alright, Nasmas OSR, old school rotaries, and we finally got some stuff in. It's been about a minute since I posted a video, but that's because I got a lot of parts, a lot of little bits and pieces at out of state at some chrome shop, because they can't chrome plastics over here. I've been ordering parts left and right just to keep this R100 project going. I've had a little side projects also that have kind of kept me away from working on my R100, but that's because there's really isn't much for me to do with the R100 until I get some parts back. But we finally got some stuff in, and this is rubber seals that go on the windshields, on the doors, inside the engine. So I got a little carried away. This was supposed to be like a unboxing video, but as you can see, everything's already outside the box. But I'm still gonna go ahead and just share some of these things that come in this R100 master kit. And yeah, let's just get right into it. This is strut tower cap. Just gonna open the corner up over here. Now I could always tape them back up, so no biggie. So here we go. Yeah, so this is I always thought these were plastic for some reason. When you get them off your old car, they're usually just like really hard, and I guess that's just from sun damage, or just, you know, with time they just get real hard, and it seems like they're plastic. But yeah, these are rubber, and here we go, and they sit right over the strut right there. Next you get the wiper shaft seal. So just gonna take one out. There we go. And these sit right on the wipers, and then you just put that nut over. So yeah, these are pretty cool. This will definitely keep the rainwater from going up in there. And then the pedals, I'm sure you guys can see the pedals. I'm gonna take these out, but yeah, these are the pedals. Oh yeah, these are the, yeah, Mike, the bunnet bumps. I'm still working on my accent, you know, but yeah, so these are the hood bumps, and I believe this, I'm not sure how they sit. I gotta figure that out, but I think they might sit this way. Yeah, I think they might sit this way, but yeah, if you guys can see them, start rubber. Okay, mate. Next, we got this right here. So I got pretty excited when I seen this right here. These are always worn out on your RX2s, 3s, or 4s. These are pretty cool, and just this alone makes it worth it. So yeah, this is pretty neat. So these are for the door handles, and let me see if I can get my door handles so I can show you guys. All right, so these are some old door handles I have laying around, and these sit here. They just sit right on there. So check that out. Nice. Yeah, fits like a glove. And they also come with these little ones for the other end. Sit over here. So yeah, this kit's definitely worth it just for these alone right here. So all right, this is the rubber for the trunk lid, and this did not come in a bag, but it's part of the checklist. There is a checklist that you could go buy that Scott's old car rubber comes with. So yeah, this goes on the trunk, and you pretty much just you would have to glue it on there. You gotta use some kind of special adhesive, and yeah, he gives you like a pretty good amount for this rubber. So yeah, so for the R100 and I believe the RX2, these go on the actual trunk lid, or you know, if you're from Australia, they call this the what do they call it, the boot. They call it the boot lid. So you do not put this on the actual body of the car, on the trunk lid. It goes on the trunk lid, so you just gotta find the right adhesive to glue it on there. But yeah, this is what this is. So that kit comes with a pretty good amount of that rubber. So let's move on. All right, next we got the they call this the windscreen. This is the Seal Mazda windscreen. So this is basically a windshield. I guess they call the windshield over there the windscreen. So he did ask me, and if you go on their website, it will ask you if you need the one that takes the chrome or the one that does not need the chrome. So I guess there's, I don't know, I guess there's some people that run them without the chromes and some run them with the chromes. But I did ask them the one with the chromes, and I was kind of trying to figure out what this is here. So let me check this out, and maybe some of you guys out there in Australia have maybe used this before, the one with the chrome. So I'm guessing the chrome sits on this right here. That's my guess. And then once you fit the chrome on here, I guess you somehow make it fit on here. You gotta, like, I guess somehow just push it in there, and it's supposed to sit that way. I'm not sure how that's gonna go on. Like I said, if there's maybe any of you guys out there that have bought this kit before, and have you done this before, just let me know in the comments. I'm interested to know. I'm hoping this is not like one of those kits that's supposed to give you an illusion that it does have chromes on there. My guess is that you snap the chrome on here, and then once the chrome is on there, you kind of like try to make it fit on there on this channel. So I gotta figure that out. But in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna put these away, and once the car's ready from the paint shop, and yeah, fellas, the car's still in the paint shop. I'm just waiting on the body shop to start spraying that car. So they're just taking care of all the little details. So so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next kit. So the next one is the same thing. This is the rear screen, and it looks the same. It's got this whole thing here. So like I said, same idea as the front, I guess. It's got this channel, and it's supposed to sit here. So I guess I could give that guy Scott a call and just ask him. But like I said, I mean, I'm sure some of you guys have probably dealt with this before, so you guys can let me know in the comments. Just interested to know. That way you guys can save me a phone call out there to Australia. So yeah, let's move on to the next kit. All right, so check this out. These are the inner and outer Weatherstrip that go on the doors. Look at this, brand new. Even the little felt right here, it's just brand spanking new. So these go on the doors. This is the inner and outer. You do get two pairs, obviously, one for the left door and one for the right door. It comes with the clips. It comes like complete. You don't have to assemble it or anything. You just snap it on the door, and this is where the window goes up and down. So this is pretty exciting. I've seen a lot of nice old school rotaries with these worn out here, but yeah, they're making these out there in Australia, and that comes with the kit. So now what we got here is the glass channel run. This goes along the edge of the door, and this is where the glass sits on the doors when you're rolling them up or down. So this goes all the way around the door on the top and all the way up to the sides. So he gave me a pretty long roll for both sides, for both doors. So I guess I gotta cut them, and just kind of like mold it myself and just, you know, cut it, which you know, I was hoping it'd be, you know, pre-cut and pre-molded, because I did this a while back for my RX2, probably like 10 years ago, and it was pretty tedious. It wasn't easy, and when it was all said and done, I wasn't too happy with it. But you know, it's just one of those things that I guess they're still working on. But hey, look, this is brand new. You know, the little hairs, the felt that's on there, it's just brand new. So it's just gonna take a little longer to install, whatnot. But yeah, you do get this with the kit. You get a pretty big roll. So all right, so next what we have here is the rubber seals for the doors, for the left door and the right side door. These don't come in the bag either. He just threw them in a box, but no biggie. As you guys can see, it has a nice tight fit on there. So you put that on that lip that goes around the door, and this will definitely keep your car sealed, and it'll keep your car you know, pretty quiet inside when you're driving down the road. So this is pretty neat. This comes with the kit as well for the left and right side door. So it's pretty cool. So you will get 2 of these here. All right, next. All right, next you get this big roll of rubber seal as well too. These are for the quarter window glass, the glass windows that go in the back. You get 1 big roll, doesn't come in the bag either. You get 1 big roll that goes on the left and on the right side. It looks very similar to the door seal rubbers, except this was a lot smaller, obviously. And as you guys can see, this clips on right here on the seal, right around the rear quarter windows in the back, and it's supposed to seal everything up. It's definitely worth buying that kit. As you guys know, these rotary engines, you don't want any of that rotary engine fumes getting inside your car, especially when you got kids in the back seat. You want to have it nice and tight and sealed, or for rainy days or whatever. But yeah, this is pretty neat. You get 1 big roll. Unfortunately, it looks like I'm gonna have to cut it to size, so I guess you get 1 big roll for the left side and the right side. So you're gonna have to cut it, and you know, be real careful when you're applying it on the window, making sure you don't cut it too short. You know, you might want to cut it a bit longer, and you know, we'll get more into that once I get my car out of the shop, once it gets painted or whatever. We'll get more into it, but I just want to share this kit with you guys. So if you guys are looking to buy any rubber seal kits or anything like that, you could get them, but it would have to be out there in Australia. So all right, so there you have it. That's pretty much it for the master kit. So you get a little few bits and pieces here that are well worth it. So as far as pricing, you guys could go ahead and check it out online. Like I said, if you guys need a direct link, you could just reach me at OSR on Facebook or Instagram, and I'll gladly give you a direct link to that website, and you guys could just email the guy, and you know, or give him a call, and you guys could go ahead and talk about parts. I think he makes rubber kits like this for like RX2s and 3s as well. So yeah, just go ahead and reach out to me if you like, and or you could just type in Scott's old car rubbers, and he's got a little bit of history on the website on how he came about and started making these parts here, and I'm kind of glad he did, and I'm kind of glad they're doing these things out there in Australia, because I've tried replicating these parts in the past, and it just takes a very long time. It's very time consuming, and a lot of times they don't look close to OEM. So these are a lot of saves you a lot of headaches, definitely a lot of headaches, time, money. So yeah, just go ahead and check them out, and that's it for this video. So again, guys, I'm waiting for parts to come in. They're just, you know, I mean, some of these parts I ordered them like about a month and a half ago. The car's still at the shop. They're still working on it, so I'm trying to get as much content as I can. Now as far as the 10A engine, I will start working on that 10A engine. I didn't want to jump into it too soon, but you know, if things keep getting pushed back as far as like parts coming back from, you know, the chrome shop and things like that, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in, start building that 10A engine. So yeah, just I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Like I said, if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button, and you guys got any questions or comments, And if you guys used this kit before, let me know in the comments. I'm interested in knowing how that rubber for the windshield or the windscreen, how you guys go about that. So yeah, just let me know. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.